If you are a pre-matric or post-matric student, then you can grab up to 1500 per month from the government. To know all the details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. The Fisheries E-Grants is initiated by government, is a hope for the economically disadvantaged students across the state. This scholarship is designed to empower the students from the marginalized communities like SC, that is scheduled caste, OBC, that is other backward classes, and OECS, that is other eligible communities. This scholarship aims to uplift the educational landscape and ensure equal access of quality education for all. And here is everything what you need to know about this scholarship. At any moment, if you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. The Fisheries E-Grant Scholarship offers a monthly stipend to the students who match up with their course and the category they belong to. Students residing within 8 kilometers of their institution will receive a stipend of 500 per month, whereas students who are residing beyond 8 kilometers will receive the stipend of 600 per month. Students pursuing professional courses and are residing independently due to lack of hostel facilities are eligible for a higher stipend, that is 1500 per month. Whether you are pursuing bachelor's, master's or diploma courses, this scholarship provides a financial support at the different educational level. If you want to get to know about more scholarship opportunities at the right time, then level up your scholarship game with our Plus membership. Get a personalized dashboard, be the first to know about the matching scholarship, enjoy the prompt support. Grab the exclusive 40% off as introductory price for a limited period of time. Upgrade now for only $599 to unlock your scholarship journey. Link in description box. Ready to apply for the Fisheries E-Grant Scholarship? Then here is what you need to have. Collect all the necessary documents such as passport size photograph, bank passbook, Aadhaar card, fisherman certificate, email ID, mobile number and caste certificate. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link mentioned in the description box, and if you feel that this content is valuable, then please show some support by hitting the like button and share this video with all your friends. Now let's come back to the apply process video. Once you click on the link, then you need to fill out the details in the form like your academic year, the name of the institution and the course you are currently studying in. Along with that, you need to provide the details of your date of birth, applicant name, gender, and provide the board like what you have studied in, SSLC, CBSE or ICSE. And next you need to enter the details like your registration number along with the year, and then you need to answer a simple question that are you a Keralite? Select the option yes or no. Now let's provide the details about your communication address, that is permanent address. Provide the detail about your house number, place, then post of pin code, district you belong to, and provide the current address details. If it is as same the permanent address, then click the checkbox, else provide the details like house number, place, district, pin code, etc. and provide the detail about the phone number and email ID. Next, let's provide the detail about the caste and the religion you belong to. Then provide the detail about your parent, that is your father name, caste or the religion of your father, occupation of the father, applicant's mother name, details about the mother as well. Then provide the detail about your mother's occupation and fishing village of the father, whether it is a island or a marine. Provide the detail about the village you belong to, whether the applicant's parents, that is mother and father, are alive or not. Provide the details of the same. Then provide the fisherman registration number. Then provide the detail about the fisherman registration number of both mother and father. Are there any student currently studying in your family? Select the option yes or no. Is the applicant is self-employed? Select yes or no. Have you ever received the scholarship or received any financial assistance from other resources? Then please mention the detail of the same. Is there any break after completing your phase of during education? Then please mention about the same. Then you need to provide the details about class you are admitted in the year, date of class attendance, distance from the institution to the applicant residence, that is in kilometers. Mention it as 8 as it is defined, or more, please define the same. Next, let's provide the detail about the course pursued after the matriculator, that is course name, name of the institution and examination year. If many are there, you can add a new or else you can remove if it is not applicable for you. Next, provide the details like where the applicant resides, whether a day scholar or stays in a hostel or in other independent residence. Whether the applicant is studying in the same class for the first time or the second time, that is like whether you have cleared the examination for the first chance, second chance or more, you need to provide the detail of the same. Minimum qualification requires for the admission in the current program. Allotment number, are you a disabled? Select the option yes or no. Confirm the Aadhaar number and you need to provide the details about your bank, that is name of the bank, branch, account number, confirm the account number, IFSC code, and you need to provide the required documents like upload a passport size photograph, fisherman certificate and bank passbook front page. If you're done with all these details, double check all the information and click on the submit button. To qualify for Fisherman E-Grant Scholarship, you must meet the following eligibility criteria like you must be studying in pre-matric or post-matric level from the recognized universities or the board. Applicant must be admitted in the recognized universities or the board with a reserve quota of SC, OBC, OEC or other social economical backward communities. For OBC students, annual family income should not exceed more than 1 lakh rupees. The students who are eligible to apply for this scholarship must be a resident of Kerala. JK Tyres is sponsoring 25,000 worth scholarship to engineering, medical and undergraduate courses. To know more details about this scholarship, watch the video on the right side.